welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to tell you about how you can style a one single jeans with 6 different styles. And please don't say me that you don't have that one single jeans. We all have that one single jeans and which we would love to wear on a daily basis or once in a week. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do, so please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel, and do let me know your thoughts in the comment section box. So till then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Love you all so much.